Riverside Marine and Cycle, Miles City, Montana. We've got a 2018 Polaris Ranger 570 with electric power steering. Has a 2,500 pound winch on the front. Street legal kit with blinkers. I'm going to say the tires are probably around 40% tread. Has side mirrors, hard cab. Additional sides for the tilt assist dump box. I'd say those are street tires. Turn signal kit. Has a rear view mirror, manual wiper kit. This machine's got 661 engine hours, 6,886 miles. I'm going to take another video of it getting started up, drove around. If you've got any questions, you can always call us at 406-232-3300. It has the vented poly windshield.